Bridges have always captured the imagination, standing as bold symbols of connection and progress. They rise above rivers, stretch across valleys and span oceans, defying natural boundaries to bring people and places together. From ancient times to modern skylines, these structures reflect the creativity, resilience and determination of humanity. Each bridge tells its own story, woven into the culture and history of its time. Some are celebrated for their architectural beauty, others for the sheer ingenuity behind their design. Whether it's a quiet wooden footbridge nestled in the countryside or a towering suspension bridge linking major cities, bridges have shaped how we navigate the world and interact with one another. What makes bridges so fascinating isn't just their functionality, it's the vision and effort behind their construction. Engineers and builders have pushed the limits of what's possible, creating marvels that defy gravity and endure the test of time. These achievements are as much about human ambition as they are about technical skill. Bridges aren't just about getting from one side to the other, they're about possibility. They connect more than just 2 points on a map, they connect ideas, dreams, and lives. As we travel across these incredible structures, we're reminded of the unshakable drive to overcome challenges and create a world where everyone can reach what lies beyond. The story of bridges begins with the simplest forms, primitive but ingenious creations that met the basic need to cross obstacles. Early humans used what was readily available, like fallen logs or strategically placed stones, to traverse streams and small rivers. These rudimentary crossings may seem humble by today's standards, but they marked the start of a transformative journey in human connectivity. As societies grew more advanced, so did their methods for building bridges. Around 850 BC, civilizations such as the Assyrians began experimenting with more complex designs, paving the way for innovations that would stand the test of time. The true trailblazers, however, were the Romans, who elevated bridge construction into an art form. They mastered the use of arches, a groundbreaking technique that allowed for stronger, longer-lasting structures capable of supporting heavier loads. The enduring Pont du Gard in France is a breathtaking example of this ingenuity, an aqueduct bridge built nearly 2,000 years ago that still stands as a testament to Roman brilliance. These early advancements weren't just practical solutions. They represented the desire to connect people and places like never before. They turned impassable rivers into gateways and opened up new opportunities for trade, travel, and cultural exchange. Early bridges were not merely crossings, they were the first steps toward a more interconnected world, built with vision, courage, and an eye on the horizon. During the Middle Ages, bridges took on a whole new significance, becoming vibrant hubs of activity and vital arteries for growing cities. These weren't just structures to get from one side to the other, they were bustling spaces that brought people together in unexpected ways. Imagine crossing a stone bridge lined with shops, vendors calling out to passers-by, and the hum of daily life filling the air. Medieval bridges often doubled as marketplaces, transforming crossings into thriving centers of commerce and culture. These bridges weren't just practical, they were statements of ingenuity and artistry. Builders of the time used local stone and materials, crafting structures that were both functional and beautiful. From the striking arches of London's Old London Bridge to the Ponte Vecchio in Florence, these bridges didn't merely connect physical spaces, but also served as iconic landmarks that reflected the character of their communities. In many towns, bridges became places where stories were exchanged, deals were struck, and cultures mingled. They embodied the spirit of connection that went beyond the physical, representing the flow of ideas and relationships that shaped the medieval world. Even today, the legacy of these bridges lives on, reminding us of their role in transforming cities and bringing people closer together. The Industrial Revolution sparked a thrilling transformation in bridge construction, bringing forth innovations that shattered previous limits and redefined what was possible. The introduction of iron and steel as primary materials allowed engineers to dream bigger, building structures that were taller, longer, and stronger than ever before. Among the groundbreaking achievements of this era was the Brooklyn Bridge, a marvel of its time and a symbol of human ambition. Completed in 1883, this iconic bridge linked Manhattan and Brooklyn, forever changing the landscape of New York City and demonstrating what could be accomplished with determination and ingenuity. The construction of the Brooklyn Bridge itself was a feat of perseverance. Its construction, costing $35 million, was completed ahead of schedule and $1.3 million under budget, equivalent to $610 million in today's money. The bridge's towers, made of limestone, granite, and cement, rose like cathedrals over the East River, capturing the spirit of a new era of progress and innovation. Workers overcame immense challenges, including dangerous working conditions, to create a structure that continues to inspire awe today. Beyond the Brooklyn Bridge, the Industrial Revolution introduced a wave of steel bridges that changed the way cities grew and economies expanded. Railroads relied on these strong, durable structures to transport goods and people efficiently across great distances, fueling the rapid industrial growth of the 19th century. Steel's strength, combined with its flexibility, allowed for designs that were not only functional but also elegant and enduring. The Industrial Revolution didn't just advance the materials and techniques used in bridge construction, it redefined the very idea of what bridges could achieve. These structures became not only practical necessities, but also powerful symbols of human progress, and the ability to connect communities in ways once thought impossible. Modern bridges push the boundaries of what we once thought possible, blending innovation, precision, and creativity to deliver awe-inspiring feats of engineering. The Akashi Kaikyō Bridge in Japan, the longest suspension bridge in the world, stands as a jaw-dropping testament to advanced technology. Its main cables are made up of 27,572 strands of wire, with a total length of galvanized steel wire estimated at 80,000 miles. This incredible structure is designed to endure fierce typhoons, strong ocean currents, and even powerful earthquakes, making it a beacon of resilience and innovation. On the other side of the globe, the Millau Viaduct in France stretches across the Tarn Valley, an architectural wonder that soars higher than the Eiffel Tower. Its sleek, streamlined design merges elegance with purpose, embodying the spirit of modern engineering. But these bridges are not just about beauty or scale, they are built to overcome challenges posed by nature and time. For example, seismic retrofit programs, costing an estimated $392 million, enhance earthquake resistance with intricate engineering solutions. What makes these marvels truly remarkable is their ability to unite. Whether it's shortening travel times or fostering cultural exchange, modern bridges connect more than just landscapes. They connect lives. From their bold designs to their cutting-edge materials, these structures reflect a forward-thinking approach that values both form and function. Every detail in these designs is meticulously planned, whether it's the choice of materials to withstand environmental pressures, or the inclusion of adaptive features for long-term durability. They symbolize progress, collaboration, and the unyielding human desire to reach new horizons. Through their grandeur and purpose, modern bridges remind us of the extraordinary possibilities when imagination meets expertise. As we peer into the future, bridges promise to be more than just feats of engineering. They'll be solutions that reflect the values of a changing world. Advances in technology and materials will allow for the creation of smarter, greener structures designed to meet the demands of modern connectivity while protecting our planet. Future bridges will incorporate cutting-edge innovations like self-healing concrete, energy harvesting systems, and sensors that monitor structural health in real time, ensuring safety and sustainability like never before. The role of bridges is also set to expand beyond their traditional purpose. These structures will evolve into multifunctional spaces, merging utility with community. Imagine bridges that generate renewable energy, offer pedestrian parks, or host urban farms, ideas that are already beginning to take shape in some forward-thinking designs around the world. Sustainability will remain a cornerstone of bridge design in the years to come. For instance, like the Golden Gate Bridge, whose original paint was replaced with zinc silicate primer and acrylic top coats to improve corrosion protection and air quality, future projects will prioritize eco-friendly materials and construction methods. Most importantly, future bridges will continue to inspire connection. Whether linking distant continents or neighborhoods within a city, they'll embody humanity's enduring desire to build pathways toward unity and progress. Every span constructed, no matter the size, will carry the legacy of innovation, resilience, and creativity that has defined bridges throughout history. The story of bridges is far from over, it's only just beginning. As new challenges arise, so will new solutions, proving once again that bridges are more than structures. They're symbols of hope, possibility, and a brighter tomorrow.